This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is a Meat Locks folding bicycle lock. As is the case with most of these folding bike locks, this one is a completely integrated unit with a chain made of riveted steel plates together with a lock for securing it. Now, even when compared to other folding bike locks, this one isn't particularly beefy. The steel plates are roughly 3 millimeters thick by 16 millimeters wide. That's on the lower end of the spectrum. The core is very common for Chinese-made bike locks. It's a slider sidebar design with 2 opposing sidebars, each one controlled by a separate bank of 4 sliders. It's a design that I have seen plenty of in the past, and once I got used to them, they really didn't pose too much of a challenge. That said, let's see if this lock has any surprises for me. Okay, let's get some tension in there. And I'm going to be using this standard hook in 18 thousandths for lifting those sliders up. I'm inserting it sideways and then twisting it. Okay, on the left bank of sliders, nothing on 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 is binding, got a nice click there. Back to the beginning. 1 is binding, got a click there. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3 or 4. Let's check those sliders one more time. 1, click out of 2. Nothing on 3 or 4. Not sure what's holding us up on this left bank. Up, got another click out of 1 and a fair bit of movement on the core. I think we're done with that left bank of sliders. Let's move over to the right. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4 is binding tightly. Got a nice click there. Back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Got a click out of him and a lot of movement on the core. Just touch 3 and it looks like we open this up. So, not a terribly difficult pick, but also something that I doubt would be picked on the street. To be honest, I would be far more concerned about the light construction. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.